This is our food truck. We're getting ready to do a food truck Friday here in Eagle Springs in Auburn, Texas. But I'm gonna just show you about my Acegoo wireless light switch I put in. So just follow me. Here we go. And the name of our food truck is J. Harvey's Grill. So if you're in Houston, stop by and get a bite to eat. We do a lot of trail rides and festivals also. But I'm gonna show you, before I put the light switch, the wireless light switch in, it's an Acegoo, and you can purchase this in the description below. And if you wanna know how to wire it up, there's a video. If you look to the left, the top left, you can click on that video to show you how to wire this Acegoo wireless light switch. But what I had to do before I put this light switch in, as you see, I'm walking into the dark truck, my food truck. And as you see, I'm in the food truck. And what I had to do is reach up high and try to find this light switch, especially if it's real dark. Then you turn it on. As you see, it came on. I'm gonna sell some turkey legs today. And when I get ready to leave, we have to reach up here again and turn this off. And if you're short, you're gonna have problems. You're gonna have to get a stool or something to stand on. So you turn it off. But I'm gonna show you what I did. I mounted this Acegoo wireless light switch. You see I mounted it on my refrigerator. So let me show you what I do now when I walk in. And this thing, I've tried it, it works about 75 yards away. I went about 75 yards and I tried it and it still worked. So I don't know what the range is, but you can wire this thing anywhere in your house or anything. You can use for ceiling fans or lights. So now when I'm walking in my mobile food unit, as you see, I'm stepping in. Now I don't have to walk forward. I just reach up here on the refrigerator and hit this button, and you see, it's on. So I can walk in and we do what we want to. We sell out the food. When we get ready to leave, we don't have to reach up here anymore and turn this off. We just walk out and hit this switch. And you can mount this switch anywhere you want. It's pretty handy. So to turn it on, hit there. To turn it off, the bottom. All right, I hope this video helped, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know how to wire this thing up, look to the top left. There's a video there. I've done the wiring for it, so it'll show you how to wire up this Acegoo wireless light switch. And again, if you want to purchase one, it's in the description. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you.